Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to set up a PayPal account for Shopify. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. From there, you'll want to find the Settings menu, usually located in the bottom left corner. Click on Payments to access all your payment provider options. This is where we'll connect your PayPal account, allowing your customers to pay securely and conveniently. It's a straightforward process that takes just a few moments to complete. Once you're in the Payments section, you'll see various payment providers. Look for PayPal and select PayPal Express Checkout. This is the recommended option for most Shopify stores. After clicking Activate, you'll be securely redirected to PayPal's website. Have your PayPal business account login details ready, as you'll need them to authorize the connection between your Shopify store and PayPal. This step ensures a smooth transaction flow. On the PayPal login page, enter your email address and password for your business account. PayPal will then ask you to review the permissions Shopify is requesting. Carefully read through these and click Agree and Connect, or a similar button to grant access. This authorizes Shopify to process payments through your PayPal account. Once confirmed, you'll be automatically redirected back to your Shopify admin, where you'll see a confirmation message. Back in your Shopify admin, under Payments, you should now see PayPal Express Checkout listed as an active payment method. It's a good practice to place a small test order on your store to ensure everything is working perfectly. You can refund this order later. With PayPal successfully integrated, your customers will have a trusted and widely used payment option available at checkout, enhancing their shopping experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.